Welcome to my trading room. My name is Moses Script. What I do here in my channel, I teach beginners trader technical analysis, pure technical analysis. That is what I do here in my channel. All right. In today's video, I will be talking about BTC. We're gonna look at the chart of BTC. Where is BTC likely heading to? Looking at the technical analysis, looking at the charts, what we have for BTC today. Okay. All right, let's deep dive into the charts. Let's see what we have in BTC. Okay. Now, zooming out of BTC, I can see a level here. Okay. BTC has broken a major support level, a resistance level which has turned to support. Okay, let me mark out the level here. Okay, let's see. All right, I have the first level here. On this level you can see okay, all right, let me bring it down a little where we can have some multiple touches on the level. All right, let's take it here. Okay, now we in this side we can say we have we had a touch here. Okay, we have a touch here, we have a touch here. All right, okay, there is another more touches. That's why we call it a zone. Okay, we have another level here. Okay, we have touches. All right, that is why we call it a zone. All right, and the breakdown here. All right, let's look at the current scenario in the Bitcoin market. Okay, so what do we have here? Zooming out, we see now Bitcoin has broken down this level and testing the level again, rejected, and yet to test this level again. Okay, now zooming out very well again, what we can see in BTC again, we can see a head and shoulder pattern. I talk about that in my community. Okay, now head and shoulder pattern we can see on BTC. Let's bring out the tool so we can confirm the head and shoulder pattern here again. Okay, all right, let's go. Now looking at the left shoulder. Okay, all right, neckline, looking at the head. Okay, head. My tools, my line is inaccurate. I want to get it. Okay, right shoulder, we're on the right shoulder. Now we have a breakout. Just look at it. We have a breakout on the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, let's zoom out and see. This where the breakout came from. Okay, break and confirm, boom, to this level and retesting back. Okay, now what do we have here and the BTC? Normally we are supposed to be calculating the target of the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, let's bring out the measurement tool so we can calculate the head and shoulder pattern. Where will the likely the supports going to be? Okay, all right, price range, let's use this tool to bring it down. Okay, the measurement of the head and shoulder. All right, now we can bring okay, sorry, didn't get it well. All right, so we can bring it down to this level. Where will our target be? You can see our targets. Okay, let's put a line here so we can get and see whether it's close to any support level. Okay, let's see at what range is it. All right, you can see it at this level here. Well, there's a lot of choppy here in this level. Okay, this is where we see looking at the measurement BTC. In the worst scenario, BTC is likely coming back to this zone here. It's coming back to this zone. BTC will likely come back to this zone. Okay, but in a case like this, I will not be buying BTC at this level. Yeah, I will not be buying at this level. Reason being that this level, this zone is standing as a resistance, and you have a break down here, and this could be a retest that could bring this market down. All right, I can only buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin break above the zone and retesting back the zone, then I can be assured of going long. But whereas it is the sculpture is looking this way, I will be monitoring this level to know where will my buy level be on Bitcoin. Okay. Um. All right. All right. That with that being said, I think that is a much we have on Bitcoin. That is a much we can look about the Bitcoin charts. All right. All right. That is what we can look on BTC charts. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you do enjoy this video, do subscribe and like the video, as I will be bringing more of videos like this teaching you more of technical analysis. That will be it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.